Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you recover your Google Chat history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to recover, you have to enable the backup of your Google Chat at very first. And if you have successfully enabled the backup earlier, you can recover the Google Chat now. In order to do that, you just simply have to go over your settings. And now, after going into settings, you just simply have to find this accounts and backup. Simply tap to that, and then you will get the option of backup and restore into Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. I'm selecting this restore data right here. And now, after tapping into restore data, it will restore all of the saved data into my backup. Just simply tap to that restore button and it's done. This way you can very easily restore or recover your Google Chat history. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.